In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram feed to Webflow. By the end, you'll have the Instagram feed app installed and a widget created inside your site, ready to configure and style. First, open your Webflow dashboard and head into the project where you want the Instagram feed to appear. Once your site is open in Webflow, look for the Apps or Marketplace option in the interface. Click to open the Webflow app Marketplace. In the Marketplace, locate the search field, then type Instagram feed. You should see an option that mentions displaying Instagram posts with custom layouts, spacing, and seamless Webflow integration. Click that result to open it. On the app's page, choose to open the full listing so you can review everything in one place. Take a moment to read through the description tab to understand what the app provides, including layout controls, spacing options, and how it integrates with your Webflow project. Then switch to the Permissions tab to see exactly what access the app needs. This quick review helps you confirm it aligns with your site's requirements and your team's security expectations. When you're ready, click Install on Site. If you manage multiple projects, you may be asked to pick which site to install it on. Select your current project and proceed. After the installation completes, open the app's dashboard inside Webflow. From there, click on Widgets. This is where you'll manage and create the Instagram feed components that will be embedded in your site. Before creating a widget, check the subscriptions or plan area. You can start on the free option to test things out. Use the monthly and yearly toggles to compare what's included and decide what fits your needs. If you're just getting started, the free plan is perfect for trying the app and validating the layout in your design. When you're done reviewing, go back to the Widget section. Now click Create Widget. You'll be prompted to choose a widget type. Select SI Instagram Feed. This creates the base Instagram feed widget inside the app for your Webflow site. From here, you can proceed to configure your layout, spacing, and overall design within the app's interface, and later place it in your Webflow pages exactly where you want it. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Give your widget a clear name so it's easy to find later, and think about how many posts you want to display to keep your design balanced. That's it. Your Instagram feed app is installed